beautiful February day in Missouri. It's about 40 degrees outside and it hasn't rained in a few days. So time to go to my favorite place in Waynesville, Roubidoux Springs. I'm gonna just do a little easy dive today. Just one other guy coming, one of my normal buddies. I think we're just gonna test out some new gear. I got a new little toy to play with. So come along for the ride. Let's see how it goes. All right, here we are down here at Roubidoux Springs. She's pumping a little bit today. Gauge was just under 100, and as you can see, the level is up as well. So yeah, should be a good time. The road down here has really washed out, so we're actually just going to park up at the top this time. I'll come down here and show it to you. But yeah, they've been getting some, this river's been flooding out on them. Probably still drive down here if you really had to. But up there is good too. All right, let's get geared up. So this was my third attempt to try to get in with the scooter today. The first two were with the scooter. This time I figured I'd just clip it behind me and try to pull myself in. So I was going the same way that my buddy put the line, but with me and the scooter, just wasn't gonna fit. So tip number 3, another failure. So I figured I'd try it with a scooter again, maybe to the right hand side. As you can see, the line's getting a little slack. My buddy was down there. I think he was untying it because he wasn't sure what I was doing. But figured I better get in there and make this dive happen. So I went off to the right side this time and started making my way in. And this time I made it the furthest of all the attempts so far. But the flow was quite strong, and pretty much was filling up my mask. So I believe when I got most of the way in, that was to the point where I couldn't see where I was going or what I was doing. Yeah, I think this is the part where the mask is gone. So attempt number 4, another failure. We regrouped and took a little break, and this time, given the progress of the previous attempt, I figured I could try that again and hopefully keep my mask on my face and actually make it in this time. Ended up being the smoothest of them all. I did finally get in, and once you got in, the flow had decreased significantly. So we were able to kind of get ourselves back together off to the side and clear mask and get gear situated the way it should be after getting knocked around into the rocks quite a bit. Yeah, so this 5th attempt was finally a success. Flow, this is probably the highest flow I've ever, it's definitely the highest flow I've ever been in Roubidoux. So it was a good experience. So yeah, this is us just hanging out 20 feet or so with pretty much no current hitting us. So then just head on down to the cave sign and tie in the line and get ready to begin our dive. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.